Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ontario, local and long-distance movers near me. Employ our moving services for your local, statewide, or interstate services. We have good standing with the right authorities, local and federal, that oversee all moves. Furthermore, we care about the safety of our clients and their belongings, so we've set up insurance policies that will cover risk liabilities during and after the move. We also have the most diligent drivers and movers that will deliver your belongings to your new home in one piece. Additionally, our company offers affordable services, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. If you employ the help of our local moving services, we'll make sure to give you the value for your money with the help of our movers who are licensed and diligent. We also specialize in bustling areas or cities and can assist you with moving your belongings to your new home as efficiently as possible. What's more, our local movers will help you make the best decisions when it comes to mapping out the moving process. If you're in doubt, you can ask around to find out what we have the best reviews among the locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ontario moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.